Hello, even though the vlog is a few days behind, I am in Vancouver. I just made it here and I'm about to eat vegan donuts and potatoes and beans with my hosts, Chris and Kaylin, and they're freaking awesome. And before this vlog starts, I wanna let you know that I am hosting a meetup tomorrow in less than 24 hours. So sorry if you see this video late and you can't make it. It's the best I could do. I just kept forgetting to do it, but it's gonna be tomorrow, which is the 22nd of October, Sunday. It's gonna be at Meet in, that's M-E-E-T, in Gastown location here in Vancouver at 1 p.m. That's tomorrow on Sunday, and I hope you can make it. If you can't, I will try to have another meetup next week when I'm back in Vancouver after going on the island, but who knows, so try to come and hang out, and I'm open for a few hours after that, so I'm down to hang out. You could come, we could go somewhere, have an adventure. Looking forward to seeing you and enjoy this vlog. We'll almost be in Vancouver in the vlog, because I'm in Vancouver now. Good morning, friends. I was preparing my tea and oatmeal, and I looked out the window and saw this beautiful family of deer just enjoying their morning family walk. Today's a big day. I'm excited. It's gonna rain most of the day and I have a massive mountain to climb. I'm super stoked. It's gonna be epic.
Wilderness.
Heading out. Thank you, Dawn and Gloria and Maggie, the pup. Ooh, it's starting to spit out here. It's starting to rain. The mountains are covered in fog and snow. Let's hit it. Look at how cute this house is. 'm going into there. Goodbye, Lillooet. Rock on. Guaranteed rugged. Dream extreme. Go vegan. Jai Ma Hare Krishna. $10 miles, 2 hours. Doing pretty good. I'm happy with it. It's all climbing. I'm back in the mountains, off the highway. There's like literally no cars on this road. Every 15 minutes, maybe, a car will pass. It's gorgeous. Rain is coming down, so I gotta put my camera away. I'm gonna eat some trail mix, an apple, and oatmeal. I wanna take a poll with you guys. Rank cinnamon, sugar, and peanut butter, those three things, what are the most important to you, and then the least important to you, and then the middle, in terms of those three ingredients. So if you could only have one of them, what would you choose? That's number one. And then if you could have two, what would be your next? And then if you could have all three, well then it's just all three. But which are your two favorite? Cinnamon, sugar, or peanut butter? I think I would have to put sugar as number one, cinnamon is number two, peanut butter number three. And raisins, ooh, let's do four, do raisins too. Yo, foggy lens, foggy day, snow on the trees. Hey, there's a car. Hello car, hope you're having a great day. Hope it's as good as mine. I'm enjoying it. This is awesome. There's snow like on all the trees, but it's raining on me. It's like a hard rain, you know? It's like in between snow and rain, but the roads are clear. I'm still climbing. I'm halfway done for the day, so I don't know when I'm gonna start going down. Hopefully soon though, because I'm halfway done for mileage. And I'm gonna eat some food. We're gonna do PB&J, an apple, yeah, some trail mix. I'll try to film, but I am gonna break my camera, but I don't want to, so I'm gonna limit filming. All right, peace. Dream Extreme, this is amazing. I think I'm close to the summit right now. It's just so snowy. I'm freezing if I'm not riding, but when I'm riding I'm pretty good. But this is this is so gnarly. This is what I live for. I'm soaking wet. There's snow everywhere. These roads aren't, you know, clean. There's no one on these roads practically. This is why I do it. I like to do things that are difficult. This is difficult. I'm sliding everywhere. And going downhill is gonna be even worse. It's gonna be so scary and I'm gonna freeze. Then I'll probably be eating rice and beans tonight, and that's what I love. High highs and low lows. I'm kind of an addict. We'll break it down over the coming weeks, but this is how I live my life right now, and it's amazing. I am alive and well. That was quite an experience. So here's what just happened. Yes, I got into a car for a few kilometers, but listen, I got to the summit of that pass. Hey Mateo, is there a name for the pass?
The Duffy Lake Road.
Duffy Lake Road Pass. So I got to the summit and I was going downhill and I was walking my bike because I was just sliding all around. It was crazy. I could not ride. There was so much snow, and it was gonna be like that for a few more K. And Mateo was riding south where I'm going and said, hey, do you need a ride? And I said, no, I'll be fine. He kept riding, saw that there was snow for a few more kilometers that I'd be having to walk through. So he turned around and was my savior. So thank you so much. Really appreciate it. And he drove me down the hill, so it would have just been all downhill. I would have enjoyed it, but now we got down to the elevation where it's just rain now, so I can get back on my bicycle and head to Pemberton. Thank you for saving my life. I really appreciate it, and have a great rest of your day.
Okay, great.
Well, this has been the craziest adventure day of the trip thus far. When I was dropped off, when it started to get rainy instead of snow, I start riding for 2 minutes and my chain breaks. That's just because I was too stubborn to get driven all the way over here, which I should have, and the universe was saying, come on. My chain breaks, I call up, I keep forgetting his name, who just drove me, and I said, dude, my chain broke. My bike is completely out of commission, and he drove me to this amazing house with these awesome people who have an organic farm, and now we are eating fresh veggies and rice. And it all worked out, but I'll be honest, I was in a point where I was just shivering and freezing and all my clothes are wet except for like this jacket and a shirt, and I was like, this is like epic proportion trip ending discomfort, like danger. Like I'm a little bit like shivering, freaked out in the head right now. So I need to like process stuff, just eat some food. I'm safe. I'm so grateful. I'm so happy. But today there were a lot of moments that weren't on camera. Let's just put it that way. That were a little bit like, oh, this is getting real. But now we eat. So you're a YouTuber too. We're both YouTubers.
When, not that many followings.
When did you make this?
I don't know.
Like years ago?
Yeah, 10 years ago.
Nice.
Maybe not even.
There's Scott.
Yeah.
So cringy. People watching my videos. I gotta spread the message. You like them, right?
We like them. We like them.
I just can't watch them. I can't watch my own videos. I need to exit. I'm gonna say goodnight. Today was a crazy day, and it was important for me in many ways. I am really stubborn and intense, as you guys know, in many ways. I don't like to ask for help if I don't need it, and I don't like to get a ride when I'm on a bike trip, but I was effed today. There was nothing I could have done. I was not getting down that mountain alive. My feet would have frickin' froze, or I would have got hit, or I would have slid and fell. I could not bike. And I had to surrender and say yes to nice, kind people asking to help me. And now I'm here and it's all good. All I had to do was get bombed down a mountain, so it's not like I feel like I've missed a significant part of this trip. No, I literally went down a hill and now I'm here. Went down a hill in a car and now I'm here. In the morning, Pam, so I'm on like a farm right now. I'll see it in the morning. Pam is gonna drive me hopefully to the bike shop in town in the morning, fix my chain, which broke. Did I mention that? Yeah, my chain is completely off my bike. It's broken and my shifter cable's starting to fray. It makes sense. I've ridden 2,000 miles in insane conditions, and I rode like 1,000 miles in Italy just a few months before. This bike's been through a lot. So I need to go give it some love at the shop. There's a storm that's here, and so it's going to be raining for the next like 4 days. But I have from here to Whistler is just like 3 hours of riding up a hill. Then Whistler to Squamish is a day, and then Squamish to Vancouver. So I have 2.5 days to Vancouver, and from there it's going to be so much better. So this is just like the moment where the trip is culminating in just intensity and harsh conditions, but I'm gonna prevail. Today was scary, I'll be honest. It was beautiful. I never like freaked out or anything. It was just like intense. Like, and I'm a Jedi training, young Jedi, yogi, not master, very young cricket in training, and I prepare for events like this to breathe through and be confident that the universe will provide, which it really does in my life, and it has today. So I thank all the people that have got me here safe. I need to figure out how to dry my clothes and get ready for tomorrow. So sorry for the lack of footage today. I was convinced all my stuff was gonna break. I mean, it was wet, it was crazy, but I think I'm okay. So much love, Dream Extreme. We'll see what happens tomorrow.